Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiwa block, in Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper on Friday, yes, last working day, Friday, December the 15th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. One puzzle I've already solved, the medium Sudoku, and it's time for the jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. News of the day, well, the release date of the movie Chicken Run. It's an animation movie, the sequel of 23 years ago. Yeah, Chicken Run. I like this. I like the previous movie. The release day, yeah, the premiere is today, yeah, on Netflix, I believe. All right, Tectonic number 7624. 7624. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Well, cannot say that before I've done the puzzle. But with 20 printed digits, could be a 1 star, could be a 2 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. No single boxes in this puzzle. Well. Dual boxes then. Contains the 1 and 2. Here, a dual box. Well, I cannot fill this yet, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Same for here, the 1 and 2. How about the triple boxes then? No triple boxes in this puzzle. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Then the quadro boxes then. No quadro boxes. Well. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes. Look for figures. Look for structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box is the same name as that box. Yeah, this box is the same name as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. No, only one. Well. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Well. How can I draw this here? Okay. This will be difficult. Not a lot of space here. Well, okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 2. Not a lot. So I think it's 2 stars. Only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum was 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this area. should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is connected in that box, should be so 1 or a 5. I think it's a 1, because these are 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area, should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. But also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. And a double 1. If I place a 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2 and those 2 boxes can be a 2. And in this box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers. So 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that this box can be a 5. You have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area. Should be here. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left now. For numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes. Definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then this box can be 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 2. Alright. And now 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Then let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. Two boxes left in this area for us. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. We go up. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 3, because if I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3 then. But we already have a 3 here. So not the solution, place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Then, let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. But also those two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Yeah. Right. And now. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and a 3. 5 and a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Let me think. This box can be 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there, double 5 there, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 days left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Well. 1 and 2. Okay. 2. Well. We go here then. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. 1. I think this box should be a 2 then. It can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be also a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We already have a 5 there, so this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Overlook this 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, okay. Here, 1, 2, well, this box can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. it means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes, so only 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. And I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4, we have a double 4 there, so here can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. We have numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. Told you. Definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.